Hi guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today I want to do a quick unboxing of the REM-SLX. This is for use when you want to inject, say with a HDMI modulator, and you want to inject DC on the line so that it will enable TV link functionality. Another application for this is if you're using a modulator such as the AVM01 or the MD410 that does not output DC along the trunk to power up a TV link, you would use this device here in order to send power down to switch on SLXs or TV links. Inside of the box, it's very straightforward. So we have our manual. Okay, that's perfect. A little sticker there. We have a power supply inside of there, but I just want to focus on the device quickly. So we have our little infrared emitter eye. Please make sure that this is placed away from your decoder. Don't stick this right on the front of your decoder. Give it some space so that it has enough distance so that it can emit the infrared signal and that can be seen by the decoder's eye. Here the power goes in, and here we have basically an RF in and an RF out. So I would take my feed from my modulator, plug it into the RF in over there. It would then inject the DC, and on the RF out it would be signal plus DC flowing to my SLX to switch it on. If you guys have any questions or comments, or you need some help with one of these, give us a call. We'll do our best to help you. Have a great day.